If you look up there, you see I'm going to teach you or reteach you about using the snipping tool. If you look down on the bar down below, you probably will see I have the snipping bar here, snipping tool. I'm going to unpin it from the taskbar and start all over. First thing you do is go down to the corner way over there, and there should be a magnifying glass or a search bar. You click that and type in snipping tool. I don't even need to do the tool. See that there? If you right click there, you can pin it to the taskbar, and the taskbar is that one thing way down there, and it'll always be there. If you just click on the snipping tool, it's going to pop up right there. See that? So if you need to make a new image, you click New, and just drag that like that, and that's going to be your image. Slide it over here. Now it's important that you save that image. If you don't, then you can't put it anywhere. This is the easiest way to save that snip, so click that there. Now I strongly suggest that you save yours onto the desktop. There's the desktop right there. You can go up and down with this bar to put it in other places. But if you click on desktop, I think you're going to find it more often than not. Make sure that you give the image a name. So I'm just going to call this the test image and save it. Then you can X out, and you've got that all done. And now you can post that image somewhere else.